Io sono vecchio. I'm vecchio. I don't know how to use all these things. That is what we are saying. We are analog generation.
Killing us.
Stop killing the children.
Stop killing
Yes. Digital children. You see, they tell me now to put this thing on. I just put it on. You can't kill our future. No. Yes, now. Look at. Yeah, I'm going. Where's my interpreter? Oh yeah, let's go. Come and speak Italian to them. Let's go there. Speak Italian. No, you can't kill our children and still be ruling us. We don't want. Enough of slavery. Look at, tell them, this is in class here. La forza di ordine. Che stanno qua dalle 8.
Grazie mille a tutti voi, grazie per la vostra dote.
Yeah, they are there.
Grazie mille.
They are guiding us, tell them, they are guiding us.
Grazie mille per farci.
They are guiding us, they are our friends.
Farci sostenere questa grande causa, grazie mille.
They are guiding us. Yes, we are here live. Live. Grazie, grazie.
Grazie mille.
Grazie. Grazie. We are here. Forget us. They are all the same thing. Buhari is killing us. They rape our women, murder our men, and now they are killing our children. They come with government magic. They turn white into blue. They turn red into green. Government magic. They say nobody kill anybody for Lekki. Where is the district? They remove camera. They move everything. Then they craze. We move.
We are the leader today.
They have been ruling Nigeria since when they are 20. They don't want to go. They are so rich. Buhari must go. Everybody. No APC, no PDP. We want Youth Democratic Party. We want the youth to take over and rule us. Let the old people go and sleep. They are analog.
No, that way. I mean, this thing can last like 20 minutes now. More than.
I don't think we have put.
I'll bring it to that side.
No, now don't put this in here.
Wait.
Nigerian police, they shoot people.
Look, here and go.
Try. Without returning to that side.
Where's the one thing that is like a ball like this? Wait, George.
Brutality! Remove! Brutality!
We are here live. We are Napolis.
No, Nigeria must end. Buhari must go. All Nigerian government officials will resign. Buhari must go. Let them resign.
Yes.
From
Let them come down. Yes. We are live now. Sorosoke. Stop killing our youth. Carry on, this thing on, carry on. We are live. Television. Heritage TV.
Must go. Yes.
So give this auntie the song.
Not the first government.
No, na carry on. Join us live. Join us live. Live. Sorosoke generation. Not Sorosile. Sorosoke. We don't want analog leaders again.
This is a great.
Live and direct. This is Mr. Explicit. We are here live and direct. We are here. We move. We are not going anywhere. That's Mr. Tony. Yes.
I told the patient.
This is Mr. Tony and everybody. I will never go that station. I beg, all my heart, they up. Now I see that they keep so. This is live in Naples. Live. They never see anything. How many people Sassy go kill? How many people Sassy go kill? Ah, they go kill us, they go kill us, they go kill us, how many people Sassy go kill? 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 Look at police. They are not ashamed in the country, a zoo country, animalistic country. Look at police. I got police everywhere. See, you want me to come to Nigeria, zoo country. End bad governance. Let them die. How many people? How many people Sassy go kill? How many people Sassy go kill? How many people Sassy go kill? Hey, they go kill us, Aya. Men are leave road, men are leave road, men are leave road, men are leave road. People won't pass. Let them pass. Don't block the road. Please, 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 leave the road for them. They are friendly with us. How many people? Leave the road, leave the road, leave the road. Leave the road for them, please. Leave the road. Yes, cut down salary of politicians. Light never reach.
Answers.
Light don't reach.
Answers. Answers.
Give a chance.
I beg, make na leave road. I beg, make na leave road. Make them not pursue us. I beg. Make na leave road. I beg, because they go begin to complain now. Please.
Answers.
Explicit. Please tell them not to block.
Answers.
Please tell them not to block road. Please.
Answers. 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 Are you tired? Are you tired? Are you tired? Now, one more thing. Listen. We are going to concentrate ourselves. Don't block the road, please. This is a major road. Don't block it. That is why I said don't park here. We can stand here and do whatever we want to do. Are you tired? Are you tired? What do you want? Where must go? What do you want? What do you want? What do you
You are welcome, but front.
Where must go?
Front.
Where must go? Where must go? And SARS. And great Nigerian youth.
He did like just when they see me say Baba dey here. Baba dey here.
Answers.
Bad governance.
Bad government. Baba is here. Represent all the way from Napoli, Italy. We are saying our voice should be heard.
Yes.
End police brutality. End bad governance.
No alla violenza, no alla farsa. Vogliamo un futuro migliore per i nostri figli. Vogliamo una Nigeria dove possiamo portare i nostri figli un domani. No alla farsa, no alla violenza. No a Buhari. Forza!
Let the parliament listen to us. They must intervene. They are killing us. They rape our women, murder our men. Now they are killing our children. Set yourself. Not everybody. It's lying.
Oh no, brother, I'll start to you.
We have our friends from
Bella, come and start. Hold my phone. I'm coming. Hold on. Bye.
So we have a lot of support. We have very meaningful Italians, and then we have the Italian authority, the police, and the Carabinieri. They are friendly. They are with us. They believe in our cause. They believe in what we are doing. Great Nigerian youths! Great Nigerian youths! For one Nigeria, arise, oh come and shine.
Nigeria call obey to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. One nation, our heroes shall never be vain. To serve without our might. One nation born in freedom, peace and unity.
Thank you.
We need a Nigeria that is reformed. Nigerians must dialogue. Nobody is going to tell me you belong to this tribe again. We are all Nigerians.
Where's the program?
Nigerians.
I hope the program is still with you.
Because of Nigeria.
We don't start now. We have started. We don't start now. We don't do this thing. Oh yeah, now.
Are you tired?
I bet this was I don't follow.
Are you tired? We are not tired. We are moving forward. We are moving.
Don't block the road.
We are moving. We are moving. What else? Say no to. Say no to. What? Say no to. Say no to. Say no to. Say no to.
Help me to.
Nigeria Jaga Jaga. DJ, are you ready? Nigeria Jaga Jaga. Are you ready with the country? is enough. EndSARS now. They must end. We don't want to get Buhari must go. Buhari must go. Enough is enough. We are tired. We are tired. We are tired. Let them go. Yes, sir. Everything's the press want to read your caption. Raise your banner up, raise your banner, raise it up. Raise it up. And you, SARS. And you, Black Nigerian youth. Are you tired? Now, we are going to keep a minute silence for our fallen heroes. All the heroes, people they have killed both in Lekki and other parts of the country. We are going to observe just a minute silence for them as a sign of respect.
Hey. We are all together. Yeah, we are all together. A minute silence.
When I remember my brother, water run away my eyes. Water run away my. When I remember our brothers, water run away our eyes. When I remember our brothers, water run away our eyes. When I remember our sisters, water run away in our eyes. May the souls of all the faithful departed, may the souls of all those that have killed or those that died in this protest, may their soul rest in perfect peace. Amen. They are our heroes. We will continue to remember them. They will not be forgotten. So shall it be. Pastor. Are you tired? No. Are you tired? No. Are you tired? No.
I'm no soldier.
Okay.
No more injustice. No more corruption. No more blackmail. Political boycott. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is
No, I said not in La Lanza. I don't need umbrella.
It's our place. It's in Nigeria.
See, criminal go. How the family go to jail? It's not the few which you can say of it is pleasing. But that just to you $10. Let's go.
I won't make the banner show. No, I say I won't make the banner show. That's why they go near road.
Yes. You can turn it. You can turn it to yourself. You can turn the camera.
Ah, okay. Yeah, jaga, jaga. Okay,
We are saying not to Northern Caliphate. Nigeria is for us. Nigeria is our nation. We will restore our nation. We will restore our country. Our country will be better.
She's the only DJ we have ever recommended. The best of DJ in the best. DJ Fizz. Make way for him. Make way for DJ
Yo, it's DJ Fizz in the building. What DJ Fizz? Young Charles by the storm. It's DJ Fizz on the news.
Okay. Thank you.
Nigeria is our country. We must restore back our country. We must restore back our country. Either they like it or not. No more corruption. Embezzlement of money. Looting of money. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are not going back. We are not going back. Either they like it or not, we are not going back.
Everybody was suffering and fighting. Number one candidate of poverty. Not an independent 1960.
Yes, sir.
Suffering and smiling. We need economic revolution. If the poor man don't go fit sleep, I swear the rich don't go fit sleep. Need I know the king who go next to me. And their own country they go bring. They say we be listening to us. Election time they go use you. Service our budget. We need economic make revolution. If the poor man no go fit sleep, swear the rich no go fit sleep. Swear the rich no go fit sleep.
Are you tired? Are you tired? Are you tired? What do you want? Buhari must go. What do you want?
Buhari must go.
What do you want?
Buhari must go.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Buhari must go.
What do you want? What do you want?
Buhari must go.
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 Buhari must go. Buhari must
this is what we want. No? What is that? It's in the front, man. No? Let me video you, man. No, actually, I'll just stay here for some time. You didn't go down. Yes.
People see the code. Yes, without the life, that is what people believe is true. Without the life, not many people.
Yes. Yes. Where's the key of my car garage? Let me go and pick up now. You don't want to. Let's Nigeria youth! Napoli live. Napoli live. We are here live. Rain cannot stop us. We don't be soft. We are here. I'm inside the rain. We are here. For my future. I'm here. Peace and unity for Nigeria. I'm here in the crowd. You know. Head back up in Nigeria. Shame on Nigerian police and army killing us. Look at Italian police in the rain, guarding us, giving us security. After you people say, come home to kidnappers, murderers, vampires, vagabonds in power, vagabonds, murderers, liars. They go turn blue into green, turn red into white, government magic, criminals. They remove camera, off light, kill our future. You know the pressure for them.
When you travel to Nigeria, they will collect money from you. They are criminals.
30 million. Useless senators taking 30 million every month. Bust everywhere. Bust their stomach. Burn everywhere. They are taking 30 million. 30 million every month. Go hide. COVID-19 palliatives. Rice or Gary, everything. People be the hider. They chop. Bust everywhere. Listen, we are in a mafia country. We are coming. I'm a mafia train. We are coming with Mitra. Let it go live. We are coming. We bust everywhere. I have been out of the country since 1986. I can't go back to my country. My house is wasted. My cars, they come to dustbin. My family, they think I don't die. We go bust them. I'm here now. I'm here live. I'm here. We are coming. When they hear aeroplane, we bust them with Mitra. We bust them. 30 million useless people that they're going to sleep. Nothing where they go. Anywhere they come, any of their children in abroad, in diaspora, kill them.
Trade mafias. No to police brutality. We say no to injustice. No to kidnapping in Nigeria. We ask the police, the SAF, the SWAT to go to Sabisa Forest and end the Boko Haram. Go to that place and stop killing Nigeria youth. We said no to bad governance. We said no to Buhari. We said no to injustice in the country. We said no to corruption. We said no to every bad thing they have been doing. We stop. We are not talking. We no longer silent. Nigeria youth are waking. In fact, you are waking the giant in us. Now we are speaking. No to police brutality. You, the Senate, we want the Senate salary to be on minimum wage. Senators, the House of Rep, the governors, your salary should be on minimum wage. The ex-governor, they should stop paying the ex-governors because they have taken a lot. They have looted the country, yet they are still paying them as a former governor. And they still use the Senate House as their retirement seat place. They go to the Senate, they receive salary as a senator, as a former governor, and they still loot the money, the one they're supposed to use developing the country. We are saying no. We want to end the government of Buhari. We say no to bad governance. We are coming for you. Just as our brother said, we are from a mafia country. Mafias are coming.
Yeah, so what the man is saying is the right thing. In Nigeria today, whatever is happening in Nigeria today, the youths are aware. We in diaspora, we cannot come to our country again. For what reason? How can a single person or a target? How can a single person or what do they call it? A refinery in Nigeria? A single person or a refinery? Where will the youth work? My son is a biochemist. He's studying biochemistry. After studying, where will he work? No work in Nigeria. And they are there eating from House of Reps to governor, from governor to Senate, from Senate to minister. They are continuously cutting Nigerian money, eating money.
From minister to chairman, House of to retire.
This new Nigeria, this new generation, any governor will never smell National Assembly again. No ex-governor will smell National Assembly. No ex-governor will smell National Assembly. If you are there for 8 years, no more for you can't go there again. Buhari, we don't need you any longer. You have disappointed us. We can't continue enduring this. This is our voice. Look at European police. They are guarding us. Look at them there. They are guarding us. Look at this happening. This happening in Nigeria. Can Nigerian police guard civilians like this without killing them? They come out and continue killing Nigerians every day, and we keep quiet. For what reason? We say no and we say no. No more SARS. No more bad government. All the politicians, they are coming for you people, one after the other. All of you that looted money, keep a whole big apartment, fill it with money. For who? Only you and your family. The whole people are suffering. You are seeing them on the road. No good road, no good hospital. No good road, no good hospital. And we are still in Nigeria.
Select Nigeria. Snake swallow money. Monkey swallow money. Akpabio swallow money. What is happening?
No good road, no good hospital. You keep on investing money. Keep money for yourself, for yourself. When you die, who will eat this money? Who will eat this money? When you die, who will eat the money? Who will eat the money? People will run away. All the politicians, we are coming for you, one after the other. All of you must go down. All of you must go down. All of you politicians must go down. All the representatives, they are coming for you, one after the other. You must forfeit all the money you have taken. You can't need it again. Enough is enough. The youth are rising up and not going back. We in diaspora, we are here and we are coming there to meet people over there.
People go inside, don't carry on
End bad government. End bad government. That's what we need. They are not giving us basic amenities. No light, no road, no education, nothing. It's only killing. They know how to talk. So help them. European community, come to us. We are in the we are here. We need this there. We need this there.
Okay. Nigeria has
said it. Yes. I thought he was going to talk.
That is why my husband told me that the name will beat us tight.
All of us, we carry code. When we go back home, we'll carry code.
Okay. Oh yeah, go inside the car and go in there.
No, I enjoyed the cinema. Okay.